Now, Storm Tracker 12 weather with Chief Meteorologist Matt Hoffman.
Taking a live look across the region tonight, temperatures getting awfully chilly, especially in the basin. 28 degrees in Klamath Falls, it's 33 in Chiloquin, 48 degrees in Grants Pass and Medford. Solid cloud layer over much of Jackson and Josephine County tonight. Do expect areas of fog to develop as well in our west side and even some east side valleys through the overnight hours into the start of your Tuesday. The next weather maker for us still well out to sea right now, but it is heading our way and we will get some more rain and even some mountain snow as we go through the middle of the week, but mainly looking to arrive as we head into Wednesday night. In the meantime, tonight we stay dry. Areas of fog, low clouds for most inland locations, down to 41 degrees in Medford. We'll dip down to 34 in Mount Shasta, 45 degrees in Brookings with breezy conditions overnight along the coast. And then tomorrow in the Rogue Valley, chilly, foggy in the morning, lots of clouds. We should see some breaks of sun develop as we head into the afternoon. Temperatures warming up into the lower 50s. It will be a fairly cool day for the region, up to 54 in Wairika, 51 degrees in Klamath Falls, staying fairly breezy at the coast, mostly sunny but mild in Brookings, pushing 60 degrees on your Tuesday. And then tomorrow night, the big story is going to be even colder temperatures and the potential for frost and freeze conditions in our west side valleys. Also going to be contending with some more fog development as well tomorrow night. Here's a look at the winds as we go through the day Wednesday. We're going to see winds cranking up across southern Oregon and northern California. Nothing too terribly strong, but gusts up over 30 miles per hour possible in the Shasta Valley, also along the coast. Take a look at your hiking forecast. With this next storm system moving in, we're going to stay dry even through the day on Wednesday. The rain in the Rogue Valley holds off until we get into Wednesday evening, Wednesday night. Higher elevations, we will see some snow, including up at Crater Lake, but snowfall amounts look fairly light. Here's a look at snow levels. As the system moves in Wednesday evening, snow levels are right around 6,500 feet, but they will lower down to about 5,000 feet by Thursday morning. So most of the accumulation staying above about 5,000, 5,500 feet. I don't think we'll get much for our Cascade passes, maybe a dusting. It may just be some flakes that don't really even stick, but we'll see up to about 1 to 2 inches or so for Crater Lake, Mount Ashland, some of the higher terrain of Siskiyou County as well. Here's a look at Stormcast. As we go through the day tomorrow, it's going to be a pretty quiet day overall. Skies turning partly cloudy, but some clouds could be a bit stubborn in the Rogue Valley. As we head into Wednesday morning, dry to start the day. Clouds will increase, winds will pick up. Some showers will start to push in along the coast later in the day, and then more widespread precipitation Wednesday night into early on Thursday, but this system should move out fairly quickly. Take a look at forecast rainfall. Notice more of the beneficial wetting rainfall on the west side, a pretty hard cutoff for rain on the east side with this system. Here's your 7-day forecast for the coast. We'll see more rain arriving later Wednesday into Wednesday night. Some gusty winds for the coast as well. Northern California will get the system to roll through, and then it's a pretty quiet stretch for Friday through the weekend. Milder temperatures for the basin. We'll be looking at the chance for some rain and snow showers, higher elevation snow showers Wednesday night into Thursday morning. For the mountains, snow mainly above 5,000 feet, but nothing that's really going to impact travel. And then in the Rogue Valley, tracking that chance for some rain later in the day Wednesday, but mainly the rain holding out for the Rogue Valley as we head into Wednesday night.